What kind of fish have unusual breeding practices? Sockeye salmon is one of the fish who has some unusual breeding practices because both of the sexes turn red from being green heads before spawning. Sockeyes would mostly spawn in the streams or the logs until the eggs sink at the bottom. You will know if it's spawning season according to the changes in the stream's smell. Reproduction of fishes. Before having more information about what kind of fish have unusual breeding practices, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Hermaphroditic fish. All fish can reproduce by sexual reproduction, when the sperm cells of the male would fuse to the egg cells from the ovaries of the female fish. Most fish species are hermaphrodites, meaning each of them has individual ovaries and testes. Parthenogenesis. Another unusual kind of reproduction is the parthenogenesis, meaning the egg cells can still develop without the presence of a sperm cell. In this process, the offspring are the exact copy of the parent. Breeding labyrinth fish. Labyrinth fish are also called anabantoids, meaning they are bubble nest builders. The one responsible for the nest is the male fish. Male fish would maintain the nested bubble, while the female fish rests for comfort. Male fish would entice the female to stay in the nests and induce them to spawn by embracing them. At the same time, male fish are getting aggressive in protecting the female fish. Breeding cichlids. Cichlids would fall into different categories of substratum spawning, or mouth brooders. This would only mean that cichlids would either lay eggs of the substratum or they fry their eggs into their mouths to prevent the harm that may happen. Another distinction of cichlids is whether they are monogamous or polygamous. They are allowed to interact in the aquarium freely and most of them are very aggressive, claiming their territory, while the polygamous cichlids can maintain their territory while consorting freely among each other. Breeding killifish. Killifish are mostly sexually dimorphic, which means that the males are usually more vibrant and colorful than the female ones. Other characteristics of the male killifish are they have larger and anal fins. They can be distinguished into two groups: bottom spawners and egg hangers. Bottom spawners are the ones burying their eggs on substrate, while the egg hangers spawn on plants. What kind of fish have unusual breeding practices? Conclusion. There were more fish that have a unique process for spawning, like perches, archerfish, that are bred commercially in Australia on a fish farm. About 10,000 eggs were hatched every spawning season. Other fish that have unusual breeding practices are characins, cyprinids, rainbowfish, goldfish, and catfish. Understanding the fish spawning methods and season can help you either in your fishing or taking care of them in the aquarium. For more information about what kind of fish have unusual breeding practices, visit our website at yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.